Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to Alex Builds. We have now got stage 22 of eaglemosses and hero collectors build your own Ghostbusters Ecto 1. It's a stage 22, it's probably the lightest stage of this pack, so let me show you what we've got to do. This will be a quick video. So, as you can see, this is the part we get. Nice big bit of frame, but we don't actually do a lot with that in this issue. Let me get to the page and I'll show you exactly what we're doing, if you can find it. Right, so here we are. Basically, we're going to be taking this piece that we get, we're going to be attaching that to the main frame with some EM screws on either side. So this is that way, and we've got to flip it over and screw them in. And we're just going to be attaching this part to on there, which is the leveling valve to go on there. So this is the last stage of the book, and yeah, there's not too much to do, and this is what's coming up next time. So this is the next delivery, and I had this delivery today. So yeah, there's not too much to do in this video, and this is the last of this delivery. And as I said, I have had the next delivery, which is downstairs, because and it's Ghostbusters Day today. That's why I got the Ghostbusters Ecto 1 hat on, and yeah, that's why we're doing a Ghostbusters video today. So yeah, let's get the parts open and start building. Okay, so we've got both the parts out of the packaging, and they are still both metal. So yeah, we're still applying loads and loads of more metal, which also means loads of more weight. So this is going to be quite a heavy car. So you want to take this way round. You can see the way it curves just there. I want that to face down the way, and it's just going to sit just on top of there. And we're going to put 2 EM screws, one either side. And we'll put the second one in this side. Long screwdriver. Screw that all the way down nice and tight. Just going to tighten this side up. Just like that. Now we can flip this over, just like that. And just here, we're going to be putting 2 more EM screws down there. So let's get 2 more EM screws. One goes in this side. Try and get you so you can see. We'll screw it all the way down. And then the last one just in this side here. So screw that all the way down. It's nice when you get the nice easy issues like this. So now we're going to leave this way around. We're going to bring in this is the leveling valve, and with this facing down the waist like this, we want to go into here. So this has got a location pin to help us locate that in the right place. And now one more screw just in there and screw that down. And there you go, that's what you should have up to this point, and this is the end of this delivery. This would be issue 7, stage 22. So if you haven't already seen the next delivery yet, or you haven't had the next delivery yet, this is what's coming up. I had this delivery today, so we're going to look at more plate pieces, some wheel arches maybe, and some other bits and pieces down there. It looks like loads of little bits we've got to put on. So those videos will be continuing on from next week. That's it guys, that's stage 22 all complete, and yeah, nice quick easy one. I do like when we get some nice quick easy ones and they mix it up a little. They give you a lot to do, then they mix it up. I don't mind it like that, where they do it like that. It's when they give you nothing to do every other week, and that does get a bit annoying. But this build seems to be packed at the minute, so yeah, really enjoying it. It's nice to get an issue where we don't do too much. So if you like this video guys, then please leave a like down below. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Till next time guys, take care, bye bye.